Summer is an ideal time to visit hill stations in India due to their pleasant weather and the opportunity to escape from the scorching heat experienced in the plains. These destinations offer a cool and refreshing climate, allowing visitors to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of lush landscape, blooming flowers, and cascading waterfalls. Moreover, the favorable weather conditions make it perfect for engaging in outdoor activities such as trekking, hiking, and boating. In this episode, we are going to discuss top 10 most popular hill stations in India to visit this summer. Number 10, Coorg, Karnataka. Coorg, also known as Kodagu, is a captivating hill station in Karnataka. It is renowned for its coffee plantations, spice estates, and mist-covered hills. Abbey Falls, Raja's Seat, Namdroling Monastery, and the Duare Elephant Camp are popular attractions. Coorg offers opportunity for trekking, river rafting, and wildlife tours in the nearby Nagarhole National Park. Number 9. Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu. Kodaikanal is a serene hill station located in the Palani Hills of Tamil Nadu. It is known for its pleasant climate, beautiful lakes, and scenic landscapes. The star-shaped Kodaikanal Lake is a popular spot for boating. Coker's Walk, Bryant Park, Pillar Rocks, and the Berry Jam Lake are other attractions. Kodaikanal is also famous for its homemade chocolates and the annual Kurinji flower blooming phenomenon. Number 8. Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Mussoorie, often referred to as the Queen of the Hills, is a hill station known for its colonial heritage and scenic beauty. The Mall Road is the main hub, offering shops, cafes, and stunning viewpoints like Gun Hill. Visitors can explore attractions such as Kempty Falls, Lal Tibba, and the Mussoorie Lake. Adventure activities like trekking, cable car rides, and camping are also popular. Number 7. Nainital, Uttarakhand. Nainital is a charming hill station situated around the scenic Naini Lake in Uttarakhand. Boating on the lake is a popular activity, and the town offers a range of viewpoints including Naina Peak, Snow View, and Tiffin Top, which provide panoramic vistas of the surrounding Himalayas. Nainital is also known for its vibrant markets, beautiful temples, and the governor's house. Number 6. Munnar, Kerala. Munnar is a picturesque hill station located in the western Ghats of Kerala. It is famous for its tea and spice plantations, misty hills, and lush green valleys. Iravikulam National Park, home to the endangered Nilgiri Tahar, is a major attraction. Visitors can also explore the Mattupetti Dam, Eco Point, and the Tea Museum for a deeper understanding of the region's history and natural beauty. Number 5. Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Ooty, short for Otakadmund, is a popular hill station in the Nilgiri Hills of southern India. It is known for its cool climate, scenic beauty, and tree plantations. The Ooty Lake Botanical Gardens, Dodabetta Peak, and the Nilgiri Mountains Railway are major attractions. Ooty is also an ideal base for exploring the surrounding Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Number 4. Darjeeling, West Bengal. Known for its tea production, Darjeeling offers breathtaking views of the Himalayas, including the majestic Kanchenjunga Peak. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, also called the Toy Train, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-try experience. Other attractions include the Tiger Hill Sunrise View, Batasia Loop, Peace Pagoda, and Tea Gardens visit. Number 3. Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Situated in the Kulu Valley, Manali is a paradise for adventure seekers and nature lovers. It offers opportunities for trekking, paragliding, river rafting, and skiing during winters. Rohtang Pass, Solang Valley and the Hidimba Temple are popular attractions. Manali is also a starting point for exploring the nearby valleys of Spiti and Lahore. Number 2. Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh, was once the summer capital of British India. It is known for its colonial architecture, including the Viceregal Lodge, Christ Church, and the Gaiety Theatre. The Mall Road, a bustling promenade, offers a range of shops, restaurants, and cafes. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the snow-capped Himalayas, go trekking or skiing, and explore nearby attractions like Kufri and Chail. Number 1. Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar, the capital of Jammu and Kashmir, is renowned for its captivating natural beauty and serene lakes. The Dal Lake, with its floating gardens and houseboats, is a major attraction. Visitors can explore the Mughal gardens, including Shalimar Bagh and Nisad Bagh, and enjoy a shikara ride on the lake. Srinagar also serves as a gateway to the beautiful valleys of Gulmarg and Pahalgam. Each of these hill stations in India has its own unique charm, offering a blend of natural beauty, cultural experiences, and recreational activities, making them sought-after destinations for tourists seeking a refreshing and scenic getaway. With that, I like to conclude this episode. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and share this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. See you in another top 10 video.